Introducing Prop Valuator AI, where you can analyze real estate deals in minutes. So first we're going to take a home currently for sale in California and copy the address to paste in to analyze. Just like that, it starts analyzing the property. Once done, you have a complete analysis of the property, including the property details, insights, and more. You can verify the details. In this case, I was looking at a property on realtor.com, so I went back there to check. As you can see, it was last sold in November 2015. We have a mortgage calculator built in, executive summary, and also comparable houses recently sold. Looking up the house, you can see the information is accurate. Exit strategy analysis, the county insights. Next, I'm going to show you an amazing feature called PDF to Excel. All you have to do is print the listing page as a PDF and upload here to be analyzed. Once the processing is complete, you can download the spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet opens up, you will see complete breakdown of the property with estimated cap rate, gross income, operating expenses, and more. We have an investment analysis next, an investment return analysis, sensitivity analysis with what-if scenarios. These numbers can be tweaked, and the formulas will update the output accordingly. Next is the market analysis for the surrounding area, such as estimated tax rate, school rating, crime rating, and more. The next page is the investment strategy and insights. This is an overall breakdown summary of the property. This particular one would not be the greatest from an investment standpoint, and this tool offered a complete breakdown in minutes. Next is the risk analysis and things to consider before purchasing. It has a due diligence checklist to remind you of things to check before buying, along with legal aspects to consider. Really amazing. Back in the app, we also have all the calculators needed to break down deals, including the BRRR calculator, fix and flip, house hack, and your loan calculators with a comparison option. Truly amazing stuff. Go to thepropvaluator.com to start using this tool today. Executive